but the session is really nice. I don't think that I have communicated with a new person. Yeah, I don't feel in that way. Hello, sir. Welcome. How are you?
Uh, I'm fine. I'm doing absolutely good, ma'am. How about yourself? How are you?
Yes, I'm also doing great. Thank you for asking. Please tell me about yourself. Since this is our first conversation, I would like to
Yeah, yeah,
know
definitely.
about you.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. So hello everyone. This is Vijay Kumar, and I'm from Bokaro, Jharkhand. I'm a student. I'm pursuing Master of Science, and parallelly, I'm also working on my communication skills, as it is very important. You all know about the importance of communication skills. That's why I'm working on it. Uh, yeah, ma'am. Now it's your turn.
Okay, my name is Mahalakshmi. I hail from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and I am a mom to two beautiful daughters. I worked as a lecturer, afterwards as a banker for some time, for a couple of years. I did my master's in engineering. Now I am a full-time homemaker. Along with that, I have a channel. I have been posting conversational videos and the videos related to English. That's all, sir.
That's impressive, ma'am. So, like, when did you created your YouTube channel, ma'am?
It's been more than a year and 4 months. Mm,
Okay, wow. So, what inspired you for a YouTube channel?
okay. I was in bank, sir. I was working in a bank. It was
Okay.
my dream job. See, after knowing about my bank job, I was working day and night for that. And by God's grace, I got it. My hard work paid off. But after some time, I was in a position to leave my job. So after leaving my job, I was really melancholic, disheartened. I was really very, very upset. Then one fine day, my daughter suggested me to start a channel. So
Mhm,
I
yes.
just obeyed her words and started it. Ever since I started, I have been posting content. I have been pretty
Wow.
consistent.
Wow. So, when we are at home, like instead of staying like free, when we are engaged with some work, it make us feel good and happy,
Correct.
right?
Correct, sir. Correct.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't like to sit idle or waste my time, so I want to do something productive. So why not starting a channel, working upon my English speaking skills? So it gives me the pleasure, confidence, and why not? Why not continuing the same thing for my future?
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. It was like a good decision. And
Mm.
ma'am, I think before you created your channel, I think you were good in English. I think as you are like a very experienced person.
No, I cannot say in that manner. I was not fluent in English before starting my channel. I was confident about my English speaking. I was not aware of mistakes. So I did not know where I was making mistake. So after starting the channel, it helped me a lot to overcome my mistakes.
Mhm. Like, can you tell me like how much it helped you and how much you improved just after you created your YouTube channel?
Okay. Sir, before actually having conversation, I was not ready to speak in English in front of anyone, even with my family members. Now,
Mhm.
see, I don't think whether my English is correct or not, whether I am speaking without grammatical errors or not. I'm just speaking. It itself gives me the immense pleasure. So when
Mhm.
I do the same kind of procedure, I would say that I can even rectify all my errors.
Mhm. Yeah. So, ma'am, as you told me that you were working in bank and you have also worked as a lecturer. So, the time when you were working, so which language you were using mostly in your workplace to communicate with your people and with your colleagues? Which language
Okay.
you used at that time?
Okay, sir. Then I need to say you everything about from my school days.
Okay. I think you have studied from Tamil medium school, I think maybe.
No, no. I was from an English medium student. It's
Okay,
for the sake of it. Only the
okay.
language was in English, and we used to write everything in English. Only that part was in English, but speaking, it was in our mother tongue. We had our vernacular language to know things better, and
And
we
that is Tamil, right?
insisted, yes, Tamil. We insisted our
Okay.
teachers also to speak in or explain everything in English, everything in our mother tongue in Tamil. And I was also the one kind of students who doesn't want to speak in English. I used to hide myself. I used to keep away myself from all the questions, answers. Actually,
Like,
after starting the channel, I have that opportunity to speak in English, to converse in English.
mhm. And you know, ma'am, as you told me that you were in English medium school, but only the writing part was in English. Otherwise, you were communicating with in your mother tongue. So that has happened with me also when I was in school. Like I also completed my schooling from English medium school, but you know it was situated in a village area. So there,
Yes,
it, for namesake, it was an English medium school. But
correct.
among when I used to be among with my friends in and mostly in class also we used to speak in our mother tongue here we have a regional language and the place from where I comes from, and we have a local language through which we can interact at home. But there
Correct.
is another language, Hindi. So in my case, like I had in your case, you had only Tamil, but in my case, I had a regional language that's called Khota. I comes from Bokaro, Jharkhand. So there, we in at home we use Khota language, okay. But
Mm,
when we comes to school, there we find
Hindi.
Hindi as well as English. So it was like very difficult at some time, like when mostly we don't use a language. Suppose I was not suppose actually I was at hostel for some time, so I was using Hindi. So when I was coming to my home, I there people were speaking Khota. So my Hindi and Khota was mixing, and when I started speaking English, so all three languages were mixing. That's happened.
I can evidently see your difficulty, but you have achieved a great level of success in all the languages. I hope so by now.
Actually, ma'am, I'm still learning and I'm trying to improve my fluency, my vocabulary. So I'm working on this.
Yes. I really like your confidence, right? Now you are pursuing your degree, you are not yet completed, but the confidence level, right? The inquisitive nature, the something which is within you. I really like that. I really wish you all the best for your success.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yes, despite all your challenges, all your difficulties, you are learning, you are stepping, you are yes, you are coming forward to learn this language. It's really a wonderful. It's really an incredible work you are doing.
Uh, Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. So, ma'am, as you told me that your daughter suggested you for the creation of your YouTube channel. From where your daughter got that idea that she gave to you.
I really wonder from where she got this idea. Here in our family, we don't see mobile in front of others. When we gather as a family members, as a family, we avoid mobile always. So we
Okay.
interact with each other most of the time. So I was wondering from where she got this idea, and that clicked. Yes, now I have been posting conversational videos. I really wonder from where she got that idea. I will ask her when she comes from the school.
Okay, so in which standard she is in?
Now she is in 8th standard.
Okay. So, Ma'am, can you please tell me like a few tips or ideas, or for me and as well as for the audience also, like how we can improve our
Yes.
English, like in within short period of time, like which are the ways which we if we apply in our practice that can really help. So
Yes.
if you have some unique tips which you have applied with yourself, or the tips which you suggest to your daughter. So can you please tell us
Excuse
some
me.
tips or some ways through which we can improve?
Yes, it's a wonderful question. I really appreciate that. Vijay Kumar. Your name is Vijay
Yeah,
Kumar.
yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
Vijay Kumar. You have asked me a wonderful and really need of the hour question, right? We always spend hours and hours in learning this language. At
Mhm.
last,
Yes.
we end up by, okay, this is not my cup of tea. I don't know what
Yeah.
strategy I have to follow to master this language. We always have this strategy in our mind. At the same time,
Yeah.
you
Am
asked
I?
me
Mm. Yes,
if
ma'am. Please go on.
if you are able to say something.
No, actually, I was saying that I often try to know like if there is any a different, a unique kind of tricks or ways which if we apply in our life,
Okay,
so we can improve. So I keep asking people whenever I interact with like
interact.
a person like you, like experienced person who from whom I think that from if I can get something if I ask. So that's why I asked you.
Okay, okay. See, one within a word, I can say you have to do practice. Practice only makes you perfect. But that
Yes.
practice you can do by different strategy, by following different strategy. You can listen to a particular video. See, I don't recommend you to watch different kinds of video. You just watch a single video for more than 10 times or at least
Okay.
10 times. Take 20
Okay.
or 30 minutes video. Just watch, observe, listen to that video. And after 10 times, you please start shadowing.
Okay.
Shadow that video without even knowing that you are speaking English, you will speak English.
Okay. Like, yeah, this is something new. Like, I have never tried this one. Like, watching a single video for more than 5 to 10 times. Like, I never watched a video even twice.
Okay, yes, we need that endurance to watch the video multiple times.
Okay.
Consider that you are focusing on 10 different videos, then you will get some 10 different ideas. But
Yeah, yeah.
you can do that after reaching certain level.
Hmm.
Because after I think now you no need to watch a single video, but for shadowing purpose, you watch it for several times, then do shadowing with that video, then you can move on to the next video.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am, you are right. I have heard from lots of people like doing really helps. So the whatever you said, I will definitely try. Like watching
Okay.
a single video for repetitive time for
Yes.
multiple times. Yeah,
Yes.
I will definitely try, man. Yeah.
And first, I
And
would suggest you to don't go for native speakers because the accent is completely different. You cannot understand
yeah,
their accent, right?
yeah,
Just go for
yeah.
some conversational videos. Just Indian speakers, some Indian. You consider right that you can adapt to their level. You can speak their language, their way.
Mhm.
So you watch that video for several times, then start doing the shadowing. You'll
Mhm.
come to know the progress simultaneously,
Yeah.
right? Hmm.
Yes. Yeah, yeah. You're right, man.
Okay, then I would suggest you to watch some short stories as well.
Okay.
From mobile or TV, you can watch some short stories in English, and you can even
Mhm.
tell your own views, points while watching that story.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Definitely, I will try, man.
Okay.
And yeah. So next, okay. So tell me, ma'am, like what you do in your spare time, spare time. As you said that you are homemaker, like you are staying at your home, like when you are not talking, interacting with anyone, when you are not practicing English, or like what you like to do, like in as your hobby, or if you have any hobby, so
If
would you like to share with me?
if my favorite hobby is reading. I like
Mhm.
reading. So I have several books. I have piles of book to read. So I love to read books. Whenever I find some time, even some small pocket of time, I indulge myself in reading. I engross myself in reading. So that is my favorite hobby. Other than that, I listen to music. While doing kitchen work, while doing the dishes, I listen to my Tamil songs or some Bollywood songs. That is my
Okay.
favorite hobby.
So you
Listening
listen
to
to Bollywood
music,
songs?
yes,
Okay.
sometimes, not often. I am into my Tamil songs. Once in a while, I listen to Bollywood songs as well, but that is not often.
Do you understand Hindi, ma'am?
No, I don't understand Hindi, but I somewhat understand. I know to read, I know to write, but I don't know the meaning.
Okay, okay. And what about movies? Are you fond of movies?
Yes, I was fond of movies. Now I don't find time to watch movie, enjoy movie. So I need some 2 or 3 hours to watch a movie on a stretch. So it is
Yes.
not. I'm not getting the enough time for watching movie. Having said that, Saturday or Sunday, when I have finished all my work, I spend some time for watching a movie. But nowadays, my daughters are occupying with the TV because on weekdays they are busy with their studies. So on weekends alone, they are watching TV. So they are not giving TV to us, to my husband and
Yeah,
to
yeah.
me.
Okay, so have you ever, like, recently, have you watched any new movies, like the movies which are coming nowadays, like, like the Tamil movies, like South Indian movies? Those movies are really doing good nowadays. Like we people also, like from North India, like we like those movies, like we like those movies very much. So
Okay.
have you watched any new movie which
New
has released in
movie.
the recent time?
Yes, here in Tamil, after coming to Coimbatore, with family friends, we watched one movie called Parimala and Co. It is a Tamil movie. And before that, during summer holidays, we watched Karupu. The name of the film is Karupu means black.
I think Dhanush is there in that movie.
No, Surya. Actor
Okay,
Surya.
okay, okay, okay. Sometime before I watched that movie. On that
Mm.
movie, I think Surya is God, kind of
God
God, or
is.
advocate.
Mm.
Advocate.
Yes, correct,
Yeah,
correct. You are
I
spot on.
yes, I have seen that one. I watched like
Okay.
sometime before I watched that one.
How do you
Mm.
understand then?
Actually, I watched with subtitles sometime,
Subtitles.
and sometime when it appears in Hindi dub, that
Hindi.
time I watched.
Okay, okay, fine. I am 90s fan, like 90s Hindi films fan. I watched so many films during that time when I was in college. Not college. So when I was in college, I came to know about 90s film. Then I watched
Which
that
are the
time.
movies? Which are the movies you have
Kabhi
watched
Khushi Kabhi
from?
Gum, Kuch Kuch Hota
Okay.
Hai, Pardesh, so on.
Yes, yes. Wow.
And Three
Yeah, those
Idiots.
are.
Mm,
Mhm.
yes.
Those movies are like evergreen movie. Like even now, we can watch those movies. Like those movies are really good.
Yes. And Shah Rukh Khan movies, some Devdas, so on, some Shah Rukh Khan movies. Actually don't remember the names now. Shah Rukh Khan with Rani
Yeah.
Mukherjee, with Kajol, Anjali. Her name is Anjali.
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, I think.
Become okay, okay.
Yeah. Actually, I'm also very weak in remembering the names, old
Yes,
movies
of
names.
course. Yes, but it's been so long. See, I have watched all those films before 15 years, 15 or somewhere in 2002 to 2006. I completed my I think these movies I watched near in 2006. So it's been so long, right? It's been 20 years.
Yes.
I don't think that I can remember everything. I have to rewatch all those movies.
Uh, and now we kids like people like me, we are fond of like the movies which are coming now, like Toxic.
Yes.
India.
Now
We really enjoy these movies.
I recently watched a Shaitan movie from Ajay
Okay.
Devgan.
Yeah, yeah. That was also good. Like like some of the movies are like very exceptional movies. Like they are coming like very special.
Durandar,
Like a story
yes,
is
I
like
watched Durandar one.
okay.
Mm.
Yeah, you should watch the new movies also. Like
No, that I watched in TV, not in
okay,
theater.
TV.
But
And Ramayana is
yes, Durandar 2 I haven't watched yet. It was released even before, but I haven't watched yet. I have to watch that Durandar 2. Ramayana is also going to come. Let us see.
Sai Pallavi is there as Sita Ma.
Yes,
She's from south of Tamil Nadu only, I think.
yes, of course. Are you fond of movies? Are you a movie buff?
Yeah, I'm fond of movies. That's why I asked you about movies. We talk so much about movies.
Movies, okay. See, I also like this when I was in college, when I was working, but now they are doing their profession, so why should I waste my time by talking about them? So that
Yes,
knowledge
yes.
I acquired I recently, but I'm not coming out of that fantasy, right? We always want to speak something about the movies, about Hollywood, Bollywood, and Kollywood, so it is happening.
Yeah, and we understand that why we should bother about what's going on, which movie is coming. Like we understand that one after reaching to a certain age only. Like if you will
Yes.
ask me, we people enjoy talking about movies,
Movies,
like
correct,
watching movies.
correct.
Mm. That- mm.
Yeah. But now we should understand that that is real. This is real. We have to concentrate on our real. But my
Life.
daughters are way more better than me. I was a movie buff. I used to watch a lot of movies, songs, but they are actually great nowadays. I keep wondering about them after seeing them. I was into TV, movies, serials when I was studying, when I was in my younger age.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, do you have any question to ask to
Okay,
me?
so you tell me what are the practices you are doing for improving your English and which one has helped you evidently to speak this English?
Okay. So, ma'am, nowadays, like for the last 1 month, I am continuously speaking on audio platform. Like there is a application on that we can speak with people, we can interact with people in audio call, and that is called Peer Up. I think you are aware
Okay,
about that.
yes.
I'm using that application regularly, means with consistently for the last 1 month, and it has been more than 1 month. So I'm using that one, and because of that application, I feel I'm regularly speaking. So that is one
Okay.
thing, and I'm feeling that's helpful when we are using that application and having good interaction in English with people. And you know, ma'am,
Okay.
whenever I use that application, I mostly interact with people from south of India, like
Oh,
Tamil Nadu, Karnataka,
okay.
Bangalore. Yeah,
Nice.
and mhm. And apart from that, I'm also interacting with on video conference like this with people. Whenever I get opportunities, I interact with people, and this one like interacting with people through video call. That's also a very good way of improving English, and more than English, we improve our confidence when we interact with somebody like this. So this is also one of the thing, and it's helpful. and apart from that, sometimes I I focus on grammar. Like whenever while speaking, whenever I feel like I'm making mistake in grammar, so I just go through the grammar on ChatGPT or Google. I just search them and just and I try to recall the concept that like recently I was looking up to the use of would. So sometimes like we often like I have felt in myself that I often like make mistake in those areas. So I try to improve whenever I feel like I don't wait. I just immediately open Google or ChatGPT and I just clarify the concept. So
Okay.
these are the small and tiny things which I apply in regular basis to improve myself and my English, my fluency. And sometimes I also look for the words like advanced words or which are like more fancy words I can see. Like I try to learn. Otherwise, to interact with people, the easy words and the simple words is okay because that those words are easily understandable by the
Yes.
by the person with whom we interact. And our when we are communicating with anybody, so the important thing is our ideas should be understand by the next
Correct.
person. So
Mm.
yeah, so these are the things I'm doing, ma'am,
Yes.
to improve my
Wonderful.
English.
Wonderful. It's great to know all your strategies, practices to learn this language. My best wishes for you, and I could see you in a great success after some years. But
Yes.
practice in this way and improve your speaking skills. And as a whole, you are actually allowing me to speak, listening, and you are expressing your thoughts in a simple way. Yes, the communication part is really wonderful. I don't think that the time is going to, we have only 7 minutes. Yes, but
Okay.
the session is really nice. I don't think that I have communicated with a new person. Yeah, I don't feel in that way.
Mm. And for me also, ma'am, I'm like I'm finding myself in a very comfortable zone. Like
Mm.
I can interact with you even like for longer time. I'm feeling in myself that you are very comfortable to speak with.
Oh,
You know?
thank you.
Yeah, yeah. And and from the since we started this video, like I did not felt that I even I felt that one too that I'm not interacting with any stranger. Like
Oh,
I felt very friendly and familiar with you
oh, thank you so
throughout the
much.
conversation.
Yes, you made my day. Yes, I really like your way of presenting yourself and allowing others to speak. It's a great quality. I don't think even the experts have this kind of assurance.
So you you said like very nice words for me, and I'm taking your words as like motivation, appreciation.
Okay. Okay, Siri. Okay. Shall we wrap up the session? Do you have any other questions to ask?
Uh, no, ma'am. Like we have, I think there we have not left with more time, so it will be better we wrap up this
Yes.
session. So thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am, and